Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about some Crocs, and these are the Salehe Bembury Crocs, also known as the Pollex Clog and the Tide colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. We have finally done it on the channel. I have been trying for the longest time to be able to cop one of the Salehe Bembury Pollex clogs. It has been a struggle. I never imagined in my life that I would be struggling to actually be able to cop Crocs. And here we have it. The struggle has been real, but I finally managed to get this clog in the Tide colorway. So we're going to go through the overview, talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this, and then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So yes, this is the first time. I know so many of you have been asking me numerous times, when are you posting the Salehe Bembury Crocs? Well, here you have it. We finally have one for you. This is a really just cool looking conception that Salehe has put together. It is based off of a fingerprint motif, which is just really cool to see the structure of this. There's also some concave ridges that you're going to see on the bottom of this Croc, which is really also cool, and it's for that multi-dimensional traction that you've got going on here. And we've got mixtures of different material as well. So we've got some EVA foam on the upper here. This teal is also in this just nice kind of transparent color scheme. So we've got mixtures of rubber as well as that just nice cool foam that we've got throughout to get that kind of cool textured molding of what a fingerprint would look like. Like trying to look at my fingerprint, saying like, oh yeah, I can see it. See what that looks like there. And then as we work our way to the back, you'll notice that a lot of the Crocs that I've done, it actually has the open back here, or this is actually kind of molded into this nice shell casing on the back here. So definitely stick around for sizing, because I will talk about how the size range fits different on these. But we do have more of that Tide blue color scheme and this nice Velcro strap here with Crocs and Salehe Bembury on the back. So just nice subtle dual branding that you see there. On the insole, you'll see that we've got Crocs and Salehe Bembury as well, nicely labeled there. And that will finish out the construction of the Pollex Clog. So let's take a look at all those details. far as the box goes, we do have that cool print that looks like a couple fingerprints throughout the box. And it's just a nice and simplistic box that we've got here. Nothing else too crazy as far as color scheme goes. They kept it pretty simple. All right, so now let's talk about sizing on these. So I typically size down. I was wondering if I should size up on this just because I like to wear mine kind of in that sport mode. In this case, I was worried that my size 6 would be way too small. So I decided to go with a size 7, and I'm so happy that I did that. So typically I am a size 7.5 in men, so I still did go half a size down. I will say that a lot of people have said that these actually run quite large. So do think about that when you're deciding on what size will fit best for you, because I do think that these do run on the larger range. For me personally, since I do fit in that half range zone, I just decided to go half a size down, and these actually fit me perfectly. All right, so now let's talk about styling. I feel like this is just such a great color scheme, especially since there's so many bold, vibrant colorways that I'm looking forward to wearing this fall. And I feel like this is just going to be something I can really just wear year round, or I can use this kind of as like a house slipper, which I'm really excited about also. But for the first look, I decided to wear this suede jacket that kind of has some nice blue hues to it with some Essentials cream sweats for a nice cozy look. For the second look, I decided to wear some blue cargo pants. Again, I feel like this shade of blue will go with other shades, so don't feel like you have to be too matchy-matchy with it. I wore a plaid button down that kind of had some similar shades to this teal on it, and it also had some nice cream and gray hues, and then I layered that with a nice just blue puffer vest. And then for the last and final look, I wore a blue puffer vest. I layered that with a just nice blue zip up coat. And then for the bottoms, I wore just nice maxi light gray skirt. So you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
You're probably the reason that I'm so messed up too. I can't stop it, it's ugly, but honest, got me tripping for the way you say my name, say my name, say my name. Could count the ways you drive me so insane, but when you call, I still fall back into your game. Play the game, play the game. Wrong can still be right. People wanna tell me all the time, but someday my prince will come. But if this ain't love, then I don't want it. But your heart's not with them. Tearing up the thought of all the pieces missing. And I try to know better, need to know it's worse. I swear I'm cursed, cause I know you're bad for me, but it makes no difference.
All right, so these retailed at $85 and they're currently going between $100 to $120. Lots of different colors at this point have released, so the price point on these have gone down tremendously. I remember when the first colorways dropped, they were so expensive. I just couldn't bring myself to buy a pair of $400 to $500 Crocs. I just couldn't do it. So happy that I was able to cop these for retail. All right, everybody, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below, and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Got me tripping for the way you say my name, say my name.